Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, and for today's video tao eskwelahan karon para last day na karon para magkita sa mga classmates. So stay tuned to find out kung anong mangyayari. So let's go. Bye bye, see ya, and 1, 2, 3.
Ligo ka pa?
So guys, transition tayo. 1, 2, 3. Yun lang guys, and let's go to the next video para tayo mag-glance. So let's go. Half Muslim to delete delete to pure like si Konos. I miss this place so much. Hey guys, so kakatapos lang mag-clearance. Hindi po yun last day. Tomorrow pa yung last day. Last day and last bonding sa amin sa buong klase. So see you tomorrow guys. In the next video na lang kanang ang uban like sa last day tomorrow, last bonding and last day and last bonding tomorrow to my classmate, and stay tuned to find out tomorrow. So bye bye, and don't forget to like, share, like this video, and subscribe, hit the notification bell and subscribe button, and bye bye, and 1, 2, 3, peace out.